complete.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nico Bree, and in this video we're going to be talking about the ideas and the concepts that I was thinking of when I was remodeling the shield transfer array. So when I first built it, I had inspiration from not only just EVE Online for the idea as a whole, but when I was thinking about how it would look, I imagined kind of like a satellite dish kind of design that kind of projects the energy that matches the shield onto the target. And so that's why I had those satellite dish type uh, modules on the turret. Well, I was like, okay, well, do I want to keep that? Do I want to change it up? Do I want to try and think of something new? Not really. I really like the idea, and it could also act as a nanite transfer array as well as a shield transfer array. So it can work for both, a double whammy kind of feel. So when I was going through this design, I was like, okay, cool. We have the satellite dish kind of concept down. What is it going to look like though? Because it definitely doesn't want to look as crappy as that old dish that I had. So I was looking at different concepts of different vehicles, different kind of transfer arrays, or different like energy based kind of arrays that are not so much futuristic per se, not like your typical laser cannon or like energy projector kind of deal, but more so kind of more grounded in reality, but still having that sci-fi element to it. So I looked in particular at the Command and Conquer Tiberian Sun Firestorm series. I looked at the Disruptor tank from that series. I really liked the way that they have like that disruptor projector mounted on the tank. So I could take that idea, kind of run with it, kind of make my own thing with that, and I could have that replace the old projectors that I have. That was like a really good idea. So later in the episodes, and I don't think it's going to be in this episode, but the next episode and possibly the episode after that, you will see me running through so many renditions of projectors because I just could not get it right for the life of me. It was one of those things where it just, if you do one wrong thing, it's just gonna kind of throw off the whole, like, it's gonna get distracting. It's gonna kind of throw off the whole vibe of what you're trying to achieve. So I was like, okay, well, let me make sure that I do this right. So you'll see me go through a lot of renditions of that, and until I get it right. Almost gave up. Not gonna lie. I was just like, screw it. Fuck it. Not gonna do it. I'm just gonna design something different. But I did it and I kept with it. So you'll kind of sense the struggles as you'll see. I'll get really deep into a good concept or a good design for it, and then I'll just scrap the whole damn thing. Start from scratch again. So be prepared for that. But that's part of the process. At the end of the day, you play around with the shapes, you play around with the model until it fits what you want. And you don't want to settle. You always want to try and keep going. You want to do your best, and of course, you want to build your craft. So that's what I was trying to do with this. And I hope it inspires you guys to want to build up your craft and, come in the grind with me. Maybe one day I'll be looking at your videos and trying to figure out how the hell you did your cool things. And that's really just the beauty of it all. So again, I hope you guys get inspired by this. I hope this helps you, and if there's anything I can do better, critique me, grind into me, and I will take all that criticism into consideration, and I will build myself better, build this channel better, and better present content to you guys. So without further ado, enjoy.